Hello children, in this very video we are going to deal with chapter 3, that is food and health. Okay, so all of you are aware what is food. Any eatable item is termed as a food. And children, why do we need food? We need food so that we can it can give us energy, and from that very energy we can be able to perform different activities. Okay, for jumping, singing, dancing, walking, talking, playing. Okay, we need energy to grow. Okay, we need food to grow. We need food in order to remain healthy, fit, and so basically, in order to remain healthy, to remain strong, to remain energetic, to be able to grow, for all these very activities, we need food to eat. Okay, without food our growth will be also not proper. We won't feel energetic to perform different activities. Our body is going to suffer from different diseases. So food has a very important role in order to keep our body healthy and strong. And whatever food we are taking, okay, for example, I'm just having pizza, burger, snacks, so that doesn't mean that it is a good food. Okay, the good food is that food that is rich in nutrients. Now what is these nutrients? Children, these nutrients are actually the chemical substances that are essential for our body. They help us to make our body healthy and for proper growth and development. So basically the food has 5 different main nutrients, that is carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin and minerals. Okay, these all 5 nutrients are very important in our food. So what is going to happen if we take a good food, that is a food that is rich in all these 5 nutrients? Okay, that is carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamin and minerals in a correct portion, then we are going to be healthy, then we are going to be strong, our growth will be very nice, and we will feel energetic, and we will be able to perform different kind of activities. Now we are going to deal with this component table. Okay, here the different nutrients name is given over here, their function, okay, and the sources from where we get these nutrients. Okay, so carbohydrates gives us energy, and this energy give us the this carbohydrates give us the energy to perform different activities. If you are playing, talking, writing, whatever activities you are doing, even for sleeping also we need energy at that time also. And what are the sources from where we are going to get the energy? So we are going to get the energy by having these food items: rice, wheat, maize, corn, potatoes, bread and sugar. These are the energy giving food. Now sugar and starch are also the forms of carbohydrates. Children, this sugar, all of you know, starch, actually what the plants do now, when they make the food, whatever extra food is there, they store it in the form of starch. Okay, and when you are having the plant, okay, green vegetables, then we directly gain this starch, we directly have the starch, and this starch is also a energy giving food. Now fats, in comparison to carbohydrates, fat give us more energy. And what happens, our body store the fat, and whenever we need energy, this fat break down to produce the energy. Okay, and this fat also help us to keep our body warm. And from where we can get this fat? From butter, ghee, vegetable oil, cheese, dry fruits. Okay, from all these food items we are going to gain fats. Now proteins are also known as the bodybuilding food. Okay, whenever any cells, tissue or any part of our body is get worn off, okay, so for repairing the protein is required. And for the growing children, protein is needed in a if you have a proper protein diet, then your growth will be very nice. And from where you are going to get this protein? From soya bean, milk, meat, fish, egg and pulses, from these very food items. Now vitamin and minerals, they are required in very small amount, but they are very important. If our body is deficient in vitamin and minerals now, then we are going to face the different deficiency diseases. So vitamin help us to fight against diseases, mineral helps us to keep us fit and fine. They also provide strength to our bones and muscles, and for the normal functioning of the body also the vitamin and minerals are very important. And from where we are going to this, we are going to get all this mineral, vitamin and minerals from fruits, vegetables, fish, egg and milk. So children, for today's homework you are supposed to learn this table 3.1, that is component of food. This will be your homework for today. Thank you.